Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Musli. My name is Muhammad Fauzi and today I'm going to talk about our group project. Roti canai is a popular Malaysian flatbread often sold in small shops in places like Parit Raja. These shops usually have a few workers doing hard physical tasks like kneading dough, tossing it high, and frying it on hot griddles in a tight place. While the first focus in food quality and customer satisfaction, the workers' comfort and safety are often overlooked. This neglect can harm work health and slow down the shop. Ergonomics is the science of design workplace and tools to improve worker well-being and efficiency. For a rotational shop, poor ergonomics leads to engineering tiredness and lower productivity. Common problems included work surface at the wrong height, causing back or shoulder pain, poorly placed equipment, creating inefficient movement, bad tools, causing hand or wrist pain, unsuitable flooring, leading to lack of foot pain, and poor lighting or ventilation affecting sight and comfort. This study aims to fix these ergonomic issues in small roti channel shops. The plan is to assess the worker workspace to identify the main risks and implement practical low-cost solutions. This could include adjusting work surface height, rearranging the layout for better workflow, for providing better tools and improving flooring and ventilation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirizat, and right now I want to talk about literature review. For the first point is effectiveness. Low to moderate effectiveness in reducing low back and neck pain by Ryson in 2010. Physical intervention can help with neck pain intensity improvement seen in musculoskeletal load reduction for sitting tasks by DeWalsh in 2023. Second point is healthcare and therapy. Important for anesthetic team safety posture, temperature, humidity, and light by Platt and Wilkes. And the next point is more research needed in musculoskeletal disorder prevention by Matthew in 2023. And the last point is workplace. Patient ergonomics improve research participant and validity by Rogers. And the last point is ergonomic chair design blends aesthetic and functionality shaping user behavior and organizational practice by Petri in 2017.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Farham Abu Bakar, and my metric is DD220023, and I will present to you about the site restrictions. So the place that our group choose, this is Roti Canai Dandut at Parit Raja Johor. This is near University Tunku Sri Lanka, Malaysia. So they sell the local breakfast like nasi lemak, roti canai, and kuih muih with morning customer turnover. And the operating hours is daily from 6 a.m. and 11 a.m. and the peak hour for this service 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So the ergonomic challenge that had been identified, the first one is such nature, physically demanding, repetitive, and time pressure. The second one is movement constraint, there is limited space, lead to frequent twisting and bending, long duration of standing posture. And the third one is the surface conditions. The ground surface is hard tile without cushioning, and the working area lacks ventilations, further contribution to further fatigue. So the environmental conditions is the poor ventilation that contribute to heat and discomfort. So the tool used is simple tools but frequent and rapid handling required, like the roti canai worker lah. So next, I'm going to tell you about the application of REBA. REBA is the Rapid Anti-Body Assessment analysis that is our good conduct on a worker performing the task of flipping channel at Rachana Dandut Perairan Johor. So there are two groups. Which is the first group is Group A, body posture. This is involve the neck, back bend, standing, and more lah. And the Group B is arm and waist posture. It involve the right arm, elbow, waist, and the pull grip. So based on the REBA employee assessment worksheet, we got the neck bend forward, which is 20 degree. So the point is 2 points. So for the leg, got the 3 points, and the trunk posture score got the 2 point. And the group A score, we got the total is 5, and the group B score, right arm raise, this is the below 45 degree. Got the 2 score, and the elbow bend is below than 90 degree. We got the 3 score, and the upper arm score 2 score. So the group B score total is 7, and the Reba final score, we got 10 score. This is high risk to ergonomic score.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We proceed to 4.0 result and analysis. After we collect the data from the academic assessment, we can get this. We can focus on these five issue of area, such as on this table, and we can see the issue and the effect can delay the workflow of the roti canai dangdut at Baik Raja. After we collect the data using Rapid Entire Body Assessment (REBA), the three main tasks that can we get is the dough kneading, tossing roti and serving cleaning, which affect the ergonomic issue. Two of them shows a high risk and with the score 9 and 8, and another one is medium risk. For the high risk, we take an immediate action to fix the ergonomic, and for the medium, we take the corrective steps for the serving and cleaning tasks. After the all consideration and improvement that we take, this is the five improvement that the action have been taken, such as the table ingredient height, we take summarize, and anti-fatigue mats is using, the layout reorganization, better lighting and ventilation and ergonomic tools. After all this improvement is run by 1 week, and we can see the discomfort reduction is happen. From before, we can get the 85% back pain, and after the improvement, we can collect the data is 40%. And the shoulder pain also decrease and the leg fatigue also decrease. For the summary, we can get the shoulder and back pain is reduced 50%, the leg fatigue reduced 55%, and the workflow complaint also reduced to 50%. And the good news is the efficiency of the roti canai dangdut at Baik Raja is increased for 60%. That we can conclude the REBA analysis is very impact for the ergonomy issue.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Hakim and my matrix number is CD220159. So today I will be discussing the economic challenge in small roti channel store and how this issue affect the worker comfort, safety and overall performance. So one of the biggest problem is actually the height of the work surface, particularly where the dough is prepared and cooked. Many workers have to bend forward or lift their shoulder while working. This puts a lot of strain on their back and shoulders, and over time, it reduces their productivity due to physical discomfort. Another issue is the poor arrangement of tools and ingredients. Items are often placed too far apart at awkward angle. This forces workers to make unnecessary and repeated movements which slow down their workflow and increase fatigue, especially during peak business hour. In addition, the store lack basic ergonomic tools like cushion, grips, or non-slip mats. These are simple items that help reduce risk and hand fatigue, especially during repetitive tasks like kneading or flipping dough. Without them, workers experience more strain by the end of their shift. The flooring is also a concern. Concern. It's hard and not cushioned, and the staff have to stand for long period without any support. And to figure mat could help with this, but they are not being used. As a result, workers often complain or sore legs and lower back pain. Overall, this may seem like a small issue individually, but together they create a difficult and physically demanding work environment, which a few simple change like adjusting, we do everything like change for this problem, worker health and performance could greatly improve.
This study shows how simple ergonomic change improve worker comfort, safety, and efficiency at small sortie channels for in Raja, Malaysia. Using the Riba method and observation, key problems were found. Work surface at the wrong height, poorly placed equipment, non-ergonomic tools and hard floor and bad lighting and ventilation. This causes body aches, tiredness, and slower works, especially during busy times. These tools made low-cost change, adjusting work height with a wooden block, rearranged the space to avoid bumping, added antistatic mats, used tools with better grips, and improved landing and airflows. After this change, the feedback from workers of three busy period shows big drop in pain. Lower back pain fell from 85% to 40%, shoulder pain from 70% to 30%, and leg fatigue from 90% to 35%. Workflow also speed up about 60% due to less crowding and better condition. This result prove that better, simple, and affordable economic fits work well for small food businesses. This study highlights that caring for workers' well-being boosts efficiency and provides a model that can be used by other small shops. It shows practical economic change and cut health risks and rise productivity even with its limited resources, offering valuable insight for similar food stalls in Malaysia and beyond.